Hi guys, I'm going to give you a really quick introduction to the chloroplast structure. The chloroplast is the organelle that performs photosynthesis for plant cells. It takes energy from the sun and converts it into food for the plant. And in order to do this, it has different structures within it to help it perform its job. So first of all, it is a double membrane structure. This is why it's not found in prokaryotic cells that don't have membranes, because it has not only one but two membranes, an outer and an inner membrane that surround the organelle itself. Next, it is filled with a fluid. The fluid contains a lot of dissolved chemicals that are going to take part in reactions that we'll see later. And that fluid portion is called the stroma. So anything that's kind of not a structure is a fluid, and it's called the stroma. Now, the structures that are inside, they're little sacs of fluid. So this is like a membrane, and it's filled with the fluid. You can see here in this picture that it cut it away, and you can see that it's kind of an empty sac, almost like a coin purse, and that's called a thylakoid. Thylakoid, like your thigh, thylakoid. And the thylakoids are stacked on top of each other. And the thylakoid stacks are called grana if you're talking about lots of them, or granum if you're talking about just one. So the entire stack is a granum. Okay. Another thing that we'll learn is that there are pigments that collect energy from the sun, and the main one is called chlorophyll, and that's going to be found within the thylakoid membrane. So in here, within each one of these membranes, all over, are embedded these pigments. And chlorophyll reflects green light, which is why the plant looks green. Now, there are other pigments that are reflecting other colors, but since chlorophyll is the main one, it reflects the most light, you're going to notice the plant looking green. If you have a purple plant or a pink plant, then those have different pigments that are reflecting different colors. And again, those are found in the thylakoid membranes. So here's just a quick picture. Just take a minute and try to figure out which one is which, or if you can name each of these structures. So structure 1 and 2 should be pretty easy, the outer and inner membrane. Structure 3 is pointing to the liquid, which is called the stroma. 4 is pointing to a thylakoid, and 5 is pointing to a granum. All right, you can complete the worksheet on the chloroplast now.